All right, everybody, Fat Cracker here. It's time again. Time to get cooking and eating good. Tonight we got one for you. We're going to do a low fry salmon patty. We're going to get everything together. We're going to put it all together and show you how it's done. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're going to start by making our dill sauce. So right here we got 1 cup of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Get all that out in there. Set this to the side. Then we got 1 cup of sour cream. We'll put that in there. Excuse my grunts and stuff. I got a little head cold that's bothering me. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I didn't squeeze it myself. I bought the real lemon squeeze bottle at Publix. Then we're going to add a whole pack of organic chives, probably about 2 tablespoons. Mix them in there real well. I chopped them up previously. Chop them how you want to chop, small, big. And I got almost a 1/2 cup of chopped dill. We'll add that to it. And then let me wipe my hands real quick. Then what we'll do is we'll start mixing this. I try not to make a mess, but unfortunately I'm not good at not making a mess. Get all that incorporated. And try to get that lemon juice mixed in with that sour cream and Greek yogurt. Mix it up real well. Now we got all of that. Now we're going to add my favorite ingredient. A little pepper in there. And this is all your taste. And remember, I like pepper. And then we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Mix that up. Mix it in there real good. And this would go perfect on our patties once they get done. Nice compliment to the flavor. Mix that in together in well. And then we'll grab a separate spoon here real quick and give it a taste test. Grab you a little bit. I think that's going to end up pretty good. It's already got the dill and chive flavor to it. We'll put that in the fridge and let it sit up while we're doing our patties. And that flavor should be good by the time after it sits for about an hour. And we'll come back. We'll be making the patties. All right, everybody. We got our salmon here. I got 4 15-ounce cans of pink salmon. Got the bones out of it, everything out of it. So we'll go ahead and start mixing for our salmon patties. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Old Bay. That in there pretty good. With that Old Bay seasoning in there. Then a little bit of black pepper. Maybe a touch more Old Bay. We want to make sure they taste good. All right. Got that. Then we're going to add some panko breadcrumbs. And then we're going to add 2 medium diced onions. And then 2 bell peppers, 1 orange, 1 green. Try to dice them finely. I'm not good at doing that. Some of them are diced finer than the others. We got that. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Get that in there. And then we got 8 straight out the coop eggs. We're going to pour those in there and do it like a meatloaf. Just start mixing with your hands. Get that all well incorporated with each other. Mix it around. We kind of want to keep it moist. Hoping the eggs will do that. Because you cook them too dry, they'll come apart when you bake them. We're frying them. They kind of hold together pretty good. But we're trying to do it a healthier side by baking them. I've done this before. They turn out pretty good. I know some people use the bones. Don't fly with me. I don't know. It's because I choked on a fish bone when I was younger or what. But when I see them, I take them out. Mix that together real well. Got everything incorporated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab some out and just patty them out. I got a cookie sheet over here. My oven's warming up to 425. And then I got a cookie sheet over here with olive oil that I wiped down. So we'll patty these out. And get them on the pan. And hopefully we can fit them all in that pan. I don't have to make another one. We'll keep patting these out. These are good go-to. We don't have them often, but when we do, kids love them. We love them. The dill sauce goes good with them. And you can pick any kind of vegetable you want with it. Of course, you're going to see different size patties. I either grab a big old handful or a little bit. And just keep patting them out. I know it's kind of stretched out, but my hand's dirty. I'm not going to stop the video. I'm going to keep going with it. I don't want this all over my damn camera. Like I said, fried's a little bit better. Let me break that one down. That was a little too big. But we're trying to do a little bit healthier. Still good. Still good. Don't get me wrong. It's still damn good, but it's got to go a little bit healthier. I don't know about y'all, but Fat Cracker here is tired of getting up, feeling pain because carrying around all this weight. I just got to get motivated to get rid of it full force. Get this last little bit. Make one last small patty. Get all that in there. And this will be a small patty. All right. Get this out of the way, bring the pan over. There you have it, guys. That's our salmon patties. Hopefully they hold together. They look pretty good. I hope they don't break apart on me. They might. I've had that happen before, but they're still good. Once the oven gets up to temp, we'll bake them. And then about 45 minutes, I believe, about halfway through, flip them. Give them a nice brown coat each side. And then we'll show you the end result. All right, everybody. Here's our salmon patties. One did break apart on me, this one right here. I lied, it was about 30 minutes, about 15 minutes in, I flipped it. They're all done, ready to go. I'll go down and loosen them up off the bottom of the pan. Oh, it didn't really help. Everything's loose. Anyways, so we'll pick this one up. It's nice and warm. Split it in half for you. There's what you look like. Nice and cooked, ready to go. Gonna be good food. We'll plate it up and I'll show you the plate. All right, everybody. I'll show you how I would plate mine up. So we'll take our salmon patty, set it down. And then what I'll do is I'll take that dill sauce I made earlier. We'll stir it up here. Take about a teaspoon, or however you like it. And I just put it on top of the patty. That way I got that dill sauce at every bite. That's a good mix right there. Damn good food. Now some people put the dill sauce on the sides, use it for like dipping. I'd rather have it on top. So there you go. There you have it. Baked salmon patties. Not a bad meal. Pretty good. We'll get our sides together and I'm going to eat. Just remember, guys, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. There's another meal from Fat Cracker. Y'all enjoy. Have yourself a good one.